Now in integration after substitution method, now we do have some trigonometric functions like sine, cos, and with some higher powers, like we have power of sine is 5, power of tan is to the power 5. Exercise 9.3. In that case, what you have to do is just convert this sine to the power, as power is odd, just break it. And now for even powers we can convert it into cos, like sine 4 we can write sine square and its whole square, and sine square we can convert 1 minus cos square x. Now the derivative of cos x is sin x, derivative of cos x is sin x, actually minus sin x, but constant hardly matters, so we can put here cos x is equal to t, so that sin x dx is equal to minus dt, derivative of cos is minus sin. Now we got our sin x dx, sin x dx is minus dt, and this is 1 minus t square whole square, that is 1 plus t4 minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and integrating this we will get for 1 t, for t4 t 5 by 5, t cube by 3 plus c, and now substitute the value of t, that is cos minus cos x to the power 5 upon 5, cos x to the power 3 upon 3 plus c is your integral. So it's very simple, power is odd of sine or cos, then separate one number, and rest for even you can convert it into sine square, and then you can convert it into cos. So cos we can put, so that this will be a dt. Tangent to the power 5, tan to the power, tan relation is with secant square, so better convert it into tan cube x into tan square x, so that tan square we can convert it into secant square, tan square is secant square x minus 1. The most basic trigonometric formula is tan square x is secant square x minus 1. Now multiply it separately, that is tan cube x into secant square x minus tan cube x. Now tan cube x into secant square x, tan cube x into secant square x minus, for tan cube again we can do that tan x into tan square x, and for tan square x we can write secant square x minus 1, and then this is tan x into secant square x, tan x into secant square x, this is minus minus plus tan x dx, here also dx. We separated all the integrals. Now you can see derivative of tan x is secant square x, derivative of tan x is secant square x, and derivative of integrals, and then integral of tan x we know directly. So here that we got the derivatives, in this we need to put tan x is equal to t, so your question changes to secant square x dx is equal to dt, right? Then question changes to t to the power 3 and secant square x dx is dt, so t cube dt this will be t and this is your dt, and integral of tan directly we know that is minus log of cos x plus one constant you use, that is c dash. Now integral of this is t cube, t4 upon 4, and the value of t is tan x, so we write it directly, and for this it is t square upon 2 minus log of cos x plus a combined constant, here it was c dash, here it is combined constant is c. So this is how to integrate it. This is just tan cube x into secant square x. Wrote it down.